Good evening to all my awesome friends and family. Well, we've been shopping again at Dollar Tree, and we got some great little buys here for $1.25 each. And I can't wait to make some beautiful displays for you. I'm going to do an ocean theme coming up. I don't know if I'm going to use any of these stickers for it, but I do have some pieces that I'm going to share. We may use this in another display, like on a tiered tray. We'll have to wait and see when we get busy to start putting them together. These are super cute and they light up. And as you can see, they both have lights in them. I was going to try to do a few posts to do with a country look. And I thought these would look great in a centerpiece or a tiered tray or maybe the cozy corner. And I thought these would be great for a summer post because it is so hot here. And I can't wait to put something together for a summer display. And maybe in the cozy corner also. Some of these may go in 2 or 3 different posts because you know Grandma, she likes to reuse, repurpose as much as she can. I ran across these beautiful cups. I was so surprised how beautiful they are. And I have a lot of blue and white pieces right now. And I thought these would go beautiful for one of my displays. And on top of that, I thought they would go great in the cozy corner and also for TeaTuesday. What do you think? I was very happy with these cups. Let me turn them around and show you the pattern all the way around. From this angle, you can see what they look like, but aren't they beautiful? I really was impressed. And can you believe these were from Dollar Tree, $1.25 a piece? I can't wait to put them in a display. And here is the front of the display. Isn't it beautiful? I was really loving this post. What do you think? I can't wait to use these cups. They're definitely going up for TeaTuesday on Tuesday. And the best part of these cups, you can put them any way you want on the table, and they look beautiful from any angle. I love these cups. They're probably my favorite cups I've ever bought at Dollar Tree. What do you think? Have any of you seen these cups before? I'd never seen them before, but they are beautiful. And here are the plates I got. I know it looks funny, but these plates really are blue and white. They're sort of photographing as purple and white. I'm hoping when I get in better lighting, we can see the blue and white better. I was trying to get a few more pieces that I can use with my McKinsey child pieces, and I wanted to get a fall theme going, and I also wanted to get some country themes going. And I thought this turned out really nice. The 2 different salad plates, this one here, enjoy the journey. We only go through this life once. Let's try to enjoy it the best we can. And I have these blue ones, let's see if I can get better lighting, gather here for the grateful hearts. Oh, I thought they were so pretty. Now these are photographing like they are blue and white. Now look at these 3 things. These charges are exactly the same color. One is showing up blue and white, and the other one looks like blue and purple. They're exactly the same color. I don't know why they're doing that. It's like an optical illusion because it's not really true. It's really blue and white. We're going to pray when I start photographing these and get the colors a little bit better with better lighting. So, let me know what you thought. This whole thing came from Dollar Tree. And it came to a total of $17.25 this week. You know, we just do a little bit each week. We add to what we already own and have. And I wanted to add these. So then I probably have about enough to do 3 different posts, because I'm going to do something with Mackenzie Childs for the blue and white, check. I am going to do a couple of country tablescapes, because normally I don't do them because I don't really have any pieces to do them with. And I already have some white plates at home, and I'm going to mix the white plates with what I have. So hopefully it's all going to look great when I'm done. And of course, Grandma loved her blue and white cups, and I'll be using that for Tea Tuesday this coming Tuesday. And I have a lot of blue and white pieces now, and I'll be using that on my blue and white tablescapes too. And then I'm going to do some wonderful barbecue type things out in the garden, and that's what I'm going to use those for. And I'm going to use these in the cozy corner, and I'm going to use them for trying to get a country display and probably a tier tray. So we'll see what I can put together. I thought I got quite a bit of a great selection. I'm real happy with what I picked up. Let me know which was your favorite, and have you seen these items over at Dollar Tree? That's where they all came from. You guys all know how much I love flowers and floral design. And this, believe it or not, is a shower curtain that I found at the Goodwill. It looks like brand new. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's ever even been used. And I'll probably pack it away and use it for my spring decor. I already have a shower curtain that's for winter. We'll probably share that here pretty soon. But I'm going to try to show you more how beautiful this is. Beautiful. Just a gorgeous pattern. It goes all the way down. It cost me $5 at the Goodwill. But it looks so beautiful. I just loved it. And the flowers are gorgeous. And like I said, it looks like a brand new shower curtain. It doesn't look like it's ever been in anyone's bathroom. And it looks like a really good quality one too. Love the beautiful colors. I mean, it's possible I might hang it now for fall. It does have a lot of yellow and orange. I don't know, the more I look at it, maybe it would look great right now from all the yellow and orange that's in this shower curtain. Really, really, the more I look at it, the more I love it. I'm so glad that I spent the money to buy it. Well, I guess that's all I have to share on this shopping haul. So altogether, I spent about $23 for this week. And the great thing is I can do a update of the bathroom since I have this shower curtain. I think I already have some towels that will look nice that are new, and I might go and buy some new hand towels with a fall theme that maybe I don't have. I don't want to do like Halloween, because I don't think this would look good for Halloween, but I think it would look good if I can find something in orange, browns, and yellows. So we'll see what I can find. Just need to get out there and look. That's if I hang it right now. We'll have to wait and see. Please let me know what was your favorite thing that I picked up in this shopping haul. I'm getting to think my favorite thing, well, I have two favorites. I think the shower curtain is my favorite, but right behind that is those blue and white cups. They are just beautiful. I cannot believe that I found them at the at Dollar Tree. They look like really nice quality cups, and I love them the way they are. And the way the design is, I can use them 3 different ways, and they'll still be the same cups, but they'll look different all 3 ways. Well, you let me know what you thought was your favorite. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm glad you enjoyed the shopping trip that we went on. Well, we didn't go on a shopping trip, I shouldn't say that, but you got to see what I got on my shopping trip, didn't you? Thank you so much, my dear sweeties, and please give me a thumbs up, and if you like the content of this channel, please leave me a comment and let me know, and think about joining. We do something new and different every day.